Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Louis Vuitton Clash sunglasses in that brand new orange colorway. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you know I got to put them on. When it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box, and I did order these from the Louis Vuitton website. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. I don't really want to waste any time, man. Let's go right here. We got the box. Let me go ahead and give it a little slice on the side. Give it a slice on the side. And you already know, man, they got the pull tabs on these joints, man. So let me see. We got the pull tab right here. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta go ahead and get that pull tab. Booyah. Peel back, gang. You know the vibe, man. We gotta go ahead and peel it back, man. Let's see what we got up in here. Alright, as you can see, we got the Louis Vuitton box, man. Let's take a look at this joint. Alright, so, so they did include a sample. So shout out to them for the sample. We have a fragrance in here. Let's see which one it is. And I am big on the Louis Vuitton fragrances. Right now I have the Afternoon Swim and I have the Pacific Chill. And those are both some fire. You feel me? The only one left I really want to get is Imagination. This is... what's this? This is Entrepreneur Reeves. I don't know. I'll put a picture so you can see. But we got the sample right here. You feel me? We got one joint in here. Let me put this to the side. You already know what time it is. We got the envelope. This is going to carry the receipt. This has actually the like a return label if you want to return it for whatever reason. Let's see, anything else in here that we need to see. We got the Louis cards. Let's go ahead and just get straight into the glasses though, man, because that's what we here for. We do have that nice Louis sunglass case right here. Got the ribbon, got the bow, so you already know. We got some heat. Let me go ahead and take this off, man. Let's get to these joints, man. Let's get to these joints. So these are, just as a heads up, these are the Louis Vuitton Clash sunglasses. And I actually have the Louis Vuitton Clash sunglasses on in black. So I already did a review on these joints. You can check my other video. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see the black joints. And there go a little bit of that side shot, you feel me? But I like these so much that when I saw the orange ones, I had to get them. And I'm not even like a super big fan of the colored sunglasses, but orange is my favorite color. And once I saw they had the orange joints, man, I had to scoop, man. So yeah, we're gonna take this out. You know, we got the booklet. We have the trunk case right here. Let's go take this out. All right, boom. Alright, got the trunk case on this bad boy. Open him on up. We have that kind of a suede felt type of material on the inside, and that light tan does have Louis Vuitton embossed on this. We have the carrying case. Now this right here also doubles as a like a microfiber to wipe the glasses off with. You feel me? So it is kind of like a dual purpose joint. Now let's open these up, man. Let's see what we got. All right. Ooh, oh yeah. These is looking like something, man. Right here we have the Louis Vuitton Clash sunglasses in that orange. Yeah, the orange is hitting right here. Oh yeah. We have like a translucent acetate frame right here. Take this plastic off. And let me take this off. Actually, I'll just leave this on for now. But we have the oversized frame. At the very top, it does say Louis Vuitton engraved in the lens. And we have like a nice, it looks kind of like a deep orange color right here. Then we have the gold LV accents on the sides right here. on both sides. And this is just like a really classic frame that we have. And I mean, summer's coming, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the bright colored glasses. So if I have something orange that I want to wear, or it don't even have to be orange, I could just want that pop of color, I could throw these bad boys on. And I mean, they're looking good, man. They look like some classics. They're not doing too much. Let me go ahead and take these off. Now I will tell you something about these. These are a size W. Now these are a size E, okay? So the E is supposed to be the Eastern fit, which is a little bit bigger. They only had these in the size W, and so I actually called up to see if they had E. They said they don't have any E, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and order the W. Hopefully these fit, you know, and yeah, we're gonna ride with it. So let me put these down. Yeah, these are clean, man. Let me put these on face. Ooh. Oh yeah, these definitely looking like something. Let me see if I can take this tag off real quick. Hold on. So we can get that good, you feel me, that good on face look at them. Let me see what we got right here. Alright, there we go. There we go. We got some movement, you feel me? I like to keep all of my tags and what have you in check, you feel me? This one right here actually has a QR code on it, so maybe it's for like authenticity purposes or whatever, but we gonna leave that there. And yeah, these looking good. Now one thing I can tell you off the rip, like off the jump, is these are definitely more lightweight than the black ones, and it might be because it is the W fit, which is a little bit smaller, but they fit good to me, man. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep these joints, because like I said, I was nervous fit wise, but the W is fitting me good, very lightweight. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side shot. You feel me? We got that LV right there, man. And you know, gold and orange is just like a perfect combination color-wise. So you cannot go wrong with a pair like this. Now, the price on these, I want to say it was like $475 for the orange ones, and I believe I paid maybe $450 for the black ones. But I did get the black ones last year. So just like everything else, you know, the prices have been going up, man. But yeah, these are tough, man. So let me give you some more of that side shot. And you know what, let me show you something else that I would wear with these glasses. You feel me? How I would style them, how I get them on, you dig? And this is something right here that I would wear with these glasses. You feel me? Right here I got on a little tropical shirt, you feel me? I mean, you don't have to wear orange just because you got the orange glasses on. Now this does have a multitude of colors, you feel me? You got the teal, you got the blue, you got the yellows, and there is a little bit of orange, so you definitely are kind of playing off of that. But I mean, it's just a good look. I mean, it kind of gives you that tropical, you know, summer vibe, that backyard boogie vibe, that day party, that champagne sipping, that beach, you know, all of that, man. It's giving me all the vibes. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you a little bit more of that side shot, man. But yeah, definitely very happy with these glasses. I mean, like I said, I got the size W. The W did fit. I mean, if you want them, I say go ahead and scoop them, because orange is just like one of those summer colors, and I feel like once they're gone, they're going to be gone. I didn't want to be like, dang, I wish I got those. So I just went ahead and scooped them up, man. But yeah, definitely a good look, man. Let me know what you think about these in the comments, man. Go ahead and tell me, do you like the black ones better? Do you like these better? I do have another pair of LV glasses that I just did a review on, so I'll link that in the description as well, man. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.